All right, I want to introduce you to one of our favorite things in the trailer. It masks the scent of dog, it masks the scent of wet clothes, and it masks a lot of different scents. And it just makes it feel like when you walk in from a vacation, a day at the beach or whatever, you walk in and you just can feel rejuvenated, renewed. If you're like me, then scents really matter. You know, really good smells can be calming and really basically therapeutic for you. Bad smells, woo, the opposite, right? You just want to, oh, that's bad, right? So this is something that we wanted to bring into our trailer. You don't have to use any water with it. It's waterless. All right, you have to press and hold to turn it on. Now, if it's green, that means it's not Bluetooth. That's right, guys. You can Bluetooth it to your phone. You can connect it to your phone. Now, if it's green, then it means it's not Bluetooth. It means that you're just going to be using it manually. Now, you have a bunch of different settings. You have 1, 2, and 3 settings where you want the scent to be low, medium, or high. We're going to kick that over to high. I'm actually going to show you what scent I have in here. This is what is actually in it. And so if you want to put your own essential oils in it, you can do that. But the kit actually comes with 2 other bottles right here. The one we have in citrus florally, which is what I'm smelling right now. Kind of like that clean, citrusy scent. And then you have this guy, which is, I love it. It's kind of like luxury and comfortable, relaxing mood, right? It's gonna put you into a relaxing mood. So think evening time with that. Plus you get another one of these guys. It's like the straw that goes down in there. So if this ever gets gunked up, you have one of those. And then look, they're so nice to give you a tiny pair of pliers that if this thing gets stuck in there, you can pull it out with that. So that's kind of nice. You also get a remote. So if you're lazy and you want to put this up high and touch it, or better yet, like I was saying, you get an app for that. Now, did you hear that beep? And now it's blue. The app is connected. That's how fast it connects. But again, I just took off the app, it goes green, just like that. So I'm putting the app back on. Look how fast that connects. That is super quick. So it connects really quickly. Now with the app, you're gonna be able to change your days. You're gonna pick your times. You're gonna be able to tell it when to turn on, how intense you want it, calendar it out basically, and you can pick between 2 modes, right? So you can be like, hey, I want this at this time frame on mode 1, and then mode 2, I want these days to run. So why are you gonna have it run if you're gone at work? You're not. So you're gonna come in here and put it on the Bluetooth, and so that you can just have it on maybe a couple hours before you get home, so that you don't waste your essential oils by running when nobody's around, right? You can keep adding different modes by pressing the add button right there, or you can restore everything back to normal and then you can turn it off. So that's pretty cool. Why I'd use the Bluetooth right there is just for that, to create a schedule so that I know that when I'm coming home from a long day of work, I can rest and relax and ready to go. Right here can cover 800 to 1,000 square. So great for an RV, a trailer, and it's gonna mask those old musty smells that sometimes those old trailers get, right? Especially if they've been sitting for a few weeks. Just come and kick that on and you're good to go. If you like feeling relaxed, if you like your mood to change because of the scents that you smell, and you want something that's easy, simple, and waterless, I would definitely consider this one as your next diffuser for sure. The scents that come with it smell amazing, my wife says.